right, today I'm looking at a King Quad 750. Obviously I've got it running now, and the reason why I wanted to keep it running is because if I shut it off, it'll actually won't start again until it completely cools down. So I wanted to show you what it was doing. If I let off the gas at all, it wants to go down and die. You can hear the radiator fan running at this point. I've got it fairly warm. What I was doing was blading the driveway with a small blade. It's fairly warm, and if I were to let off the gas at all, it would die, and I go to start it back up again, and it'll have a hard time starting. And that's what it keeps on doing. So we're gonna try to diagnose this, and then we're gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna show you what we do to fix this King Quad 750. If you guys got questions or comments, make sure and leave those below. Thanks again for watching. All right, so one of the tests that I'm doing on this four-wheeler right now is actually a test on power, the charging system. My fear was that it actually was losing power, wasn't charging the battery enough, wasn't giving the engine enough power while it was revving up. So when the radiator fan would kick on, my concern was that it didn't have enough juice there to power actually give the four-wheeler enough spark. So I did a I did a test on here, just testing the charging system, and that all looks to be fine. I give it gas, rev it up, and it goes to about 13, 13.4, 13.5 in there. And I don't have a good way of holding the camera and then showing you that test, but essentially, that's what I'm doing there. I'm revving it up, and then that's when it gets to about 13 volts. So, and again, it just, as soon as you let off the gas, it just dies. So right there, you can see there, it's still sitting at, once I get it good, there's some corrosion there on the battery. So we're sitting right at 13 or 12.9. I don't know if you can see that there. And that's good. That's where it should be. So obviously regulator rectifier is working good. Stator seems to be fine, although there are some other tests that we can do on that to verify that. So we're going to do a couple other things now, and I will keep you posted.